Hello, children. Good morning. This is Teacher Beth. Welcome to our English class. How are you today? Who would like to sing with me today? All right, I want you to sing along with me, okay? Ready?
Look, bananas. How many bananas? One banana, two bananas, three bananas. There are three bananas. Wow! Look, pineapples. How many pineapples? One pineapple, two pineapples, three pineapples, four pineapples, five pineapples. There are five pineapples. Wow! Look, eggplants. How many eggplants? One eggplant, two eggplants. There are two eggplants. Wow! Look, broccoli. How many broccolis? One broccoli, two broccolis, three broccolis, four broccolis. There are four broccolis. Wow! Look, carrots. How many carrots? One carrot, two carrots, three carrots, four carrots, five carrots, six. There are six carrots. Wow!
Hey, did you enjoy the song? Yeah, I know that you enjoy the song. Thank you for singing with me. Now today, we will learn about counting 1 to 10. Can you count 1 to 10? Anyway, in counting kids, you need to use this word here. How many? How many is used for asking or saying what the amount of something is. So, for example, you're going to use here how many apples. You can see there are how many apples I have here. 1, 2, 3. You can ask how many apples. You're going to count the numbers of the apples that you can see. Okay, that is how to use how many. All right, and answering in how many kids, you have to use also there is. Okay, there is a singular, or it means only one object. It referring to only one object. Okay, like here, I have an example for you. There is one apple. Can you say any apples in there? There is only one. You're going to say there is because you have only one apple or one object. Okay? Now, another example, another answer that you can use is there are. There are is plural, okay? Plural means two or more objects like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more objects you're using, or you can see, you have to use this word, this answer. There are. Okay, I have an example for you here. There are 3 apples. Can you see here? There are 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 apples. Alright, you're gonna use there are because apples here are more than 2. There are 3 apples, okay? Now, let's try to count numbers. Let us try to review the numbers, okay? Numbers 1 to 10. I want you to count 1 to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you count by yourself there? Okay, ready? Look at the number. All right. Did you count it? You're now in number 3. All right. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Very good. It's practice time. Let's try to practice our using how many. And there is and there are. Let us see if you can do it. Okay, 1. O-N-E. 1. Cat. Meow. 1 cat. How many cats? Remember how many? How many cats? How many cats you can see? There is 1 cat. You use there is because there is only 1 cat. You cannot say there are because there is only 1 cat, 1 object. There is 1 cat. 2. T-W-O. 2 apples. 2 apples. 1, 2. 2 apples. How many apples? Okay, you have to count the apples. How many apples? 1, 2. There are 2 apples. You're going to use there are because apples here are more than 2. I mean 2 apples. Not more than, but there are 2 apples. Okay? 1, 2. 6. S-I-X. 6. Cars. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cars. How many cars? How many cars? Did you count the cars? There are 6 cars. Can you count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cars. Okay, we have another activity here. On this activity, you will see objects or pictures on the screen. Count 5 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You count 5 times. When the speech bubble appears after 5 counts, you start to ask, how many? And the name of the pictures you want to ask. You can see it on the screen, okay? I have an example for you. Okay, this is a speech bubble. Okay, you can see this one first and then you're going to count 1 to 5. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to count. You're going to ask. What was that question that you're going to ask? How many? Good job. You're going to use these words, this sentence. How many? Okay, what can you see in here on the screen? These are stars. Now let us try to ask. What you're gonna ask for these pictures that on the screen. You ready? Remember, we're going to count 1 to 5, okay? Look at the speech bubbles first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is your question? How many Stars. Okay, if you answer this question, you are correct. How many stars? Okay, can you answer now how many stars you can see? There are how many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 stars. Good job. Now let's go to the next picture. Can you count the pictures that you can see on the screen? These are strawberries. Strawberries. Okay, ready? You have to ask a question. Remember the word? Those words. Ready? I'm going to press the speech bubble and then you're going to start to count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is your question? Did you ask already? What is it? How many strawberries? If you ask this question, you are correct. How many strawberries? This time I want you to count the strawberries. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4. How many strawberries? There are 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 strawberries. Now let's go here. These are flowers. These are flowers. Can you see the flowers? How many flowers you can see? Okay, now I want you to ask a question first. Ready? I'm going to press the speech bubble and then you're going to start to count, okay? Count and then do your question. You ask the question about these flowers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is your question? All right. Did you answer already? How many flowers? Very good. Good job. There are how many flowers you can see? Can you count how many flowers you can see? You are correct. There are 5 flowers. Very good. Now let's go to the next picture. What are these? These are oranges. Oranges. Okay, are you ready to ask a question? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is your question? Are you done? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Your question is there. How many oranges? Very good. How many oranges? If you answer if you do this question, you are correct. All right, how many oranges you see? How many oranges? Can you count? 2, 3. Good job. There are 3 oranges. Very good. Okay, this time, this is our second activity. I will ask and you will answer. Okay? You are going to answer after I ask the question. Ready? How many crayons? These are crayons. How many crayons? Are you ready there? What is your answer? Did you count the crayons? All right, the answer is there are 7 crayons. Good job. There are 7 crayons. How many bananas? How many bananas? Can you count them? You're done. Did you count already the bananas? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many bananas? What is your answer? Very good. If you answered there are 8 bananas, you are correct. Good job. Pencils. Pencils. How many pencils? How many pencils? Can you count the pencils? Good. Let's answer. Let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is your answer? Are you done answering it? Good job! There are 10 pencils. Very good, guys. Great. So, do you have any question about our lesson for today? Remember that today we'll learn about counting numbers 1 to 10 and using how many. Okay, remember that how many is used for asking or saying what the amount of something is. Okay? And we answered also there is if there is only one object is being asked or one object is being, you can see on the screen. Okay, next is you can answer also there are if there are 2 or more objects are being asked. So, let's try also to review. I want you to count if you really can count the 1 to 10 today. Okay, are you ready? What is this number? 1. What is this? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is how to count numbers 1 to 10. Okay, children, I hope that you get something from our lesson today. So I think that's all for our lesson. See you next time. Goodbye, guys. Mwah.